Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create or remove user accounts on this laptop. So the first thing you have to do is open the Start menu, then go to Settings, and in Settings select Accounts, and in Accounts section scroll down to Other Users section, open it. Then click Add Account, and if you want to add a user account using their Microsoft account, then either enter their email or phone number, then enter their password to the Microsoft account, and then create a PIN code for them. And once you do that, their account will be created. If you want to create an account locally, select I don't have this person's sign-in information, and on the following page add a user without Microsoft account. Now create a username for them and create a password, make it secure, and also don't forget it. Now select 3 security questions for their account and give answers to them. Now make sure to either write down the answers or save them anywhere, because in case you or them forget this password, you'll have to use the answers to the secret questions. So let me quickly give answers. Then click Next to continue, and the account will be created. Now to switch to that account, all you have to do is open the Start menu and click on your account, then tap on the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of this window and select their account on the list. And this way you will sign into their account. Now to remove it, you have to expand this list, expand this account, then select Remove, and make sure that you are signed out of their account before you do that, because if you're not signed out of their account, you will not be able to delete account and data. And once you sign out of their account, click right here and the account will be removed. Now that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.